As of 2024, Google Pay is not directly supported as a payment method on Steam. However, there are alternative ways you can use Google Pay to purchase Steam games. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Steam website on your PC. Once you're inside the website, simply scroll down and browse through the games you want to add to the cart. Once you find the game, simply tap on it and there you will get to see Add to Cart option available. Tap on the Add to Cart and then tap on the View My Cart option available there. Once you are inside your View My Cart option, you can see Choose Payment Method option available in the right side. Simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will get to see all the payment method available here. If your Google Pay account is linked to a credit or debit card, you can use it as the payment method. Or if your Google Pay can be linked to PayPal and Steam does accept PayPal. This allows you to use Google Pay indirectly via PayPal and cards. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.